Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is maintaining itself on course. So we are up 5 cents, 0.26%. We close at 18.93. Post-market, we are down by 2 cents only. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So basically what we are looking at is the stock is still making higher lows, but the highs are stable at around 1910. So we are effectively in an ascending triangle. So this should mean that the stock should be breaking 1910 momentarily. Let's look at the 1-hour chart to understand how this panned out today. So we opened right here. This is the first candle of the day. So went quite high, then came back down here. And the second hour was green, third hour green, fourth hour green. Then look at this. I cannot make this up. 1910, we touched 1910 precisely here, also precisely here. Then came back here and used this line as support. And also, and now we are going a little bit sideways. I'm going to have to say that we are going a little bit sideways. Stochastic is still above 60. So I still have hope that we are going to stay very close to this resistance and hopefully break this resistance very soon. Let's go back to the daily chart. So daily chart, we are looking at a more broader move. So stochastic is at 31, still not 60. RSI is still trending up. MACD has crossed over bullish. So this is still in effect. So this is still good. And DMI, the two lines are not really getting closer today. Let's just be patient. Everything is still looking very good for Palantir. Myself, I am using this support right here. Let me put it back in the right place. So I am using on the intraday chart, I am using this support here. Let me tell you at 1864. So I am using 1864. The stock is effectively within a very small congestion zone on the 1-hour chart. So 1864 is the support here. So if it breaks that support, then it could mean that we are going back to 1782. 1864 is something that I will be watching next Monday. But aside from that, everything is looking good. And let's hope that we cross 1910 very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. I'm going to wish you Merry Christmas. The stock market is closed tomorrow. So we are going to talk on Monday. And for the members, we are still going to talk on Sunday to look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. So Merry Christmas to you all. This was a great year. This was a great experience to share what I do every single day when I look at the stock market. So I really appreciate that you guys are here. We have around 4,500 subscribers. So thank you very much to all of you. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine and joyeux Noël.